The Triangulum Galaxy, also known as Messier 33 or M33, is one of the most distant objects visible to the naked eye from Earth. Rising quietly in the east after sunset, this faint spiral galaxy lies in the unassuming constellation Triangulum. While the triangle-shaped constellation may be hard to find, it hides one of the most remarkable galaxies in our local universe. With just your eyes and a dark enough sky, you might see M33 as a subtle smudge near the Andromeda galaxy. But don't let its quiet presence fool you. This galaxy is a cosmic powerhouse filled with stellar nurseries, billions of stars, and possibly a front row seat in the Milky Way's future. In this video, we'll explore why M33 matters, how it compares to our Milky Way, and what role it might play in an epic galactic collision. Triangulum, or M33, is the third largest galaxy in our local group, following Andromeda and the Milky Way. It sits about 3 million light-years away, just a little farther than Andromeda, which is 2.5 million light-years from us. When viewed from Earth, M33 appears face-on, meaning we can see its beautiful spiral structure clearly. Unlike the Milky Way, which has a large bulge and tightly wound arms, Triangulum is classified as a SC galaxy, with loosely wound spiral arms and no bright central bulge. Its structure makes it ideal for studying how stars form and galaxies evolve.
Triangulum spans about 60,000 light-years, which is roughly half the size of the Milky Way, which stretches between 100,000 to 120,000 light-years across. In terms of star population, Triangulum holds an estimated 40 billion stars, compared to the over 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. That makes it a cosmic lightweight, but still large enough to be the third biggest galaxy in our local group. Despite being smaller, Triangulum shines brightly thanks to its active star-forming regions. The most famous of these is NGC 604, an enormous cloud of gas and dust where hundreds of massive young stars are being born. It's more than 1,500 light-years wide, making it far bigger than our own Orion Nebula and one of the largest known star nurseries in any nearby galaxy. Unlike the Milky Way, which has a thick central bulge and tightly wound spiral arms, Triangulum has a loose and open spiral structure. It doesn't have a prominent central black hole, which is unusual for galaxies of its size. This makes it especially interesting to scientists trying to understand how galaxies form and evolve without supermassive black holes. Thanks to space telescopes like Hubble, Spitzer, Chandra, and now the James Webb Space Telescope, we've captured some of the most detailed images ever taken of M33. These show intricate arms filled with dust lanes, bright star clusters, and glowing gas clouds, features that help astronomers trace how galaxies build stars over time. Triangulum is closely connected to Andromeda, and possibly even a satellite galaxy of it. Astronomers have detected a hydrogen bridge linking the two, evidence that they may have passed near each other in the past. Some simulations suggest that in about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide and eventually merge into one giant galaxy. But what about Triangulum? Scientists believe it might get pulled into the chaos, either merging with them or being flung out into intergalactic space. If that happens, all three galaxies will be torn apart and eventually form one of the largest galaxies in the known universe.
So what would Earth look like when that happens? From Earth's perspective, the night sky would transform into something incredible and surreal. Andromeda would grow larger and brighter every night for millions of years. Eventually, it would fill the sky with twisting streams of stars, glowing gas, and tangled dust clouds. It might even be bright enough to read a book by starlight. Multiple bright glowing cores would dominate the heavens, with the Milky Way stretching across the sky like never before. It wouldn't be one beautiful band of light anymore, but a swirling, chaotic masterpiece of merging stars. While this cosmic collision will completely change the shape of our galaxy, it won't be a violent destruction for Earth. The distances between stars are so vast that direct collisions between them are highly unlikely. But the gravitational chaos could eventually send entire star systems, maybe even our own, drifting into new parts of the galaxy or into deep space. It's a front row seat to a galactic masterpiece in slow motion, if humanity survives long enough to see it. Triangulum lacks a supermassive black hole at its center, which is unusual for a galaxy of its size. This challenges our understanding of how galaxies evolve, since the Milky Way has Sagittarius A star, a black hole with millions of times the Sun's mass. Like anything mysterious in the universe, Triangulum has its share of wild theories and online conspiracies. Some claim that alien civilizations may be hiding within Triangulum's star clusters, observing us from afar. Others believe that strange signals received by radio telescopes are hidden messages from intelligent beings in M33. There are even claims that M33 is part of an ancient intergalactic transport network, a cosmic highway between galaxies.
Of course, these claims have no scientific backing. But what's truly fascinating is that M33 does hold some genuine mysteries. For example, NGC 604 is one of the largest star-forming regions in any nearby galaxy, a cosmic nursery far grander than anything in our Milky Way. Or Hydrogen Bridge, the vast cloud of hydrogen gas possibly connecting Triangulum to Andromeda, hinting at an ancient cosmic encounter. Another is dark matter mystery. Just like with our own Milky Way, stars in Triangulum's outer arms are moving far too fast, pointing to an unseen web of dark matter holding the galaxy together. These real discoveries make Triangulum not only beautiful, but also a critical piece of the puzzle in understanding how galaxies work. As we continue exploring the universe, M33 will remain one of the best natural laboratories to study our galactic future. Let us know in the comments. Would you want to live in the Triangulum Galaxy? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into deep space.